Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new, and hey girl if you are returning. I was just sitting up here. Good morning. This is a recap from yesterday. I was just sitting up here just eating my breakfast, almost through. I'm getting low on groceries. I've been stuck in the house for 4 days because I am a caregiver, and I get to get out on the weekend when I take my granny to my mom's house for the weekend so that I can work. So I'm really proud to say that I've eaten up just about all of my groceries. I think I have some bananas left and a few grapes. I said that to say that this is me documenting my journey, but I normally don't, I'll buy groceries, but I don't normally eat them all. So I'm saying that to say that I made some progress. I got back on the scale. I'm pissed off that I'm still the same from yesterday, 251. I'm still down 8 pounds since I've started the raw, which has been about, today makes exactly 7 days, so that's still good. But I figured it out. My greedy ass been eating too much guacamole in the raw chips. Chips got a little dab of sea salt on them. So I am going to remove them for a while because I've ate too many and overindulged. And in my mind, I knew, because the chips come in a bag. And I'm watching some videos for inspiration, and I'm just eating too many. But I knew, like I said, in my mind, to take some out and put them in a bowl, or just put the serving in a bowl. But I did that shit to myself. So I'm gonna stay away from the chips. Guess what? The wraps came, the coconut wraps came, and the jackfruit came. So for my second meal, because when I'm at home I only eat twice a day because I'm not hungry, because I ain't doing nothing else really but chilling. Damn it. Oh, what I was trying to say was that for lunch or dinner or whatever, for my second meal, I'm going to have a jackfruit wrap, and I saved some grapes. So in the morning, I think all I have left is a banana, and I got enough for lunch tomorrow, but that's it. So I'm gonna order some more groceries. Number 2 twice yesterday, so that's still good. Yesterday just kind of got away from me, but today I planned on exercising. Exercising is really difficult for me because I am so large, or at least I feel so large. 250 is very large, so it takes a lot out of me. So I'm gonna exercise today, and that will be it. I will commit to twice a week until things get better, until I lose more weight. So I'm just proud that I made it this far without quitting, because my ass sure wanted to quit once the scale stayed the same. But then I realized I was just eating too much avocado and chips. But I had to think about it. Once I was like, why do you want to quit? What's the difference from the days you lost weight from the difference you didn't? You done doubled the avocado portion, and you done doubled the chips. So we are going to leave avocado right where he is. And so it feels like the days are going by slow, but then again, they're feeling like they're going by fast. But I had to realize that, girl, we got a whole 12 months. You've already said that at the end of last year, we got a whole 12 months. So we're going to slow it down. Our goal for this month is 10 pounds. So we got 3 weeks left to make that happen for the 2 pounds. And I'm sure once I leave the chips alone, then we'll make it. I was figuring 10 pounds for the next 12 months. That sounds like 120, but every month may not be a success. So we're just gonna stick with 10. I've been seeing a lot of other recipes, you know, that I want to try, but I said I would take it slow and steady. I did see, see, this is what happens when you get old. I did find me a Vitamix blender. I am going to pull the trigger on that. When am I going to do that? Oh, probably Wednesday, because I'll get paid Tuesday. I think I'll get 2 paychecks Tuesday. So I'll pull the trigger on next Wednesday and get us a Vitamix so I can make some salad dressings, and so I can make some cashew cheese sauce. And then next month we will pull the trigger on that Nama 2 juicer, because I don't know if y'all remember, but HEB, the super HEB that makes the juices, is not in my town. It's an hour away. So I was trying to do the math that even if I bought juice every week, that's roughly $400 a month, when the Nama juicer is $500. So the math ain't mathing on that. So we're gonna pull the trigger next month for that, but we're gonna just stay in January, okay? Let's just stay in January. Let's just stay focused. So I'm really excited about that. Definitely next week. Let me stop. Next week, I will be making some pecan meat. For me, pecans move my system. So I'll be using pecans because they get it going, and that's what we need. We need three of these stomachs gone, but down to 1, not 3. So, and then I'll be putting it in my food processor. So I'm gonna use pecans and mushrooms, and I'm going to put the what is it? Some red and black peppers in it, and my Tabitha Brown seasoning. And so we'll make, I saw some salads that I can put that on. And what else? Yeah, I'm rambling at this point. I'm trying to be consistent. I am being consistent. So I thank you guys for watching. I see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.